Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a personal loan from Bank of America. Let's get started. It's important to know up front that Bank of America does not currently offer traditional unsecured personal loans directly to consumers. However, they do provide several other loan products that can serve similar purposes for significant expenses. The best way to explore your options and apply for any loan with Bank of America is through their official website. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile phone and navigate to the Bank of America website. You can log in if you already have an online banking account, but this isn't strictly necessary for the initial research and application steps. Once on the homepage, look at the menu options at the top. If you want to stop calling, you can log in with the expectations for your friend. You'll find dedicated sections for different types of financing. For larger personal expenses, you should explore two main categories. The first is auto loans. If you need a loan to purchase a vehicle, this is a straightforward product they offer. Click on the auto loan section to review the current rates, terms, and eligibility requirements. The second category is home loans, which includes options like home equity lines of credit, or HELOCs. A HELOC allows you to borrow against the equity you've built up in your home, and the funds can be used for a wide variety of personal expenses, such as home improvements, debt consolidation, or major purchases. This is often the closest alternative to a large personal loan that Bank of America provides. Within both the auto loans and home loans sections, you will find a Manage Your Loan or Apply Now option. Clicking this will direct you to a detailed page with full information and a connection to customer service if you have any questions. I recommend reading through all the provided information carefully to understand the terms, rates, and fees. When you find a product that fits your needs, you can follow the on-screen prompts to get a personalized rate estimate. This usually involves answering a few basic questions about the loan amount, your property for a HELOC, or the vehicle for an auto loan. This step does not affect your credit score, as it's typically a soft inquiry. If you decide to proceed, clicking Apply Now will redirect you to the formal application page. Here, you will need to provide more detailed personal and financial information. This will include your social security number, income details, employment information, and the purpose of the loan. After you submit the complete application, Bank of America will perform a hard credit check and review your financial profile. They will then notify you of their decision. If approved, you will receive the final terms and can proceed to accept the loan and receive your funds. The entire process, from research to funding, can often be completed online. Remember, it's always wise to compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you're getting the best possible rate and terms for your financial situation.